guys, I'm Garen from Wayland. This is Davis Hall, our newest girls' dorm. Let's take a look inside. So this is the lobby for Davis dorm. This is where a lot of girls will come and hang out. They'll do puzzles, they'll play board games. We even watch The Bachelor on Monday night if you're interested. This is just a great place for girls to come together, fellowship, do homework, and just really get to know each other. So now let's go check out a suite. Hey, come on in. This is a suite in Davis Hall. When you first walk in, you'll be in your living room area. This is a great open space for you and your roommate to come, hang out, binge watch Netflix, whatever you want to do. Another great aspect to the dorm in Davis Hall is you have your own room. You and your roommate don't have to share. Let's check it out. When you come to Wayland, you can make your room however you want. None of the furniture is anchored down. You can put your dresser in your closet if you want to. Really make this your own. Another thing to remember is each girl has their own bathroom. If you're tall and you're worried about the shower head, don't be. We always provide a tall shower head. And when finals and midterms come around and you get a little stressed, just sit down and take a bath and let the worries slip away. Another great thing to remember is the internet here is phenomenal. You never have to worry about it failing, binge watching your show. You don't have to stop and let it refresh. Everything's gonna be great for you here. Although we love to see you hanging out around campus, when you get to stay in Davis Hall, you have a perfect home. Thanks for checking out Davis Hall with me. Be sure to click on the other videos in our campus tour playlist, and if you're interested in coming to Wayland, go to wbu.edu and click the apply button. We'll see you next time.